Hello everyone, this is Robert Mansour, and I'm going to walk you through our little consultation checklist here. And if you watch this short video, it will walk you through the checklist and give you some good tips about how to prepare for your personal injury consultation. So by now you probably have your appointment set. And so the first thing we want you to bring is all photographs depicting damage to your vehicle and any physical injuries that you might have, bruises, cuts, scrapes, any visible signs of the injuries. Make sure you take pictures of all of those things. So with respect to the damage photos, make sure you take damage photos from every single angle. Don't just take real close-ups because sometimes it's very hard to tell what it is that we're looking at. Also try to take pictures from different light, different angles, whatever you can do. If your insurance company has your vehicle or took your vehicle, they probably took lots of photos. So you can call them and ask them to bring you all the photos, or email them to you, I should say. And you should also email the photos to info@valencialawyer.com, or you can text them to us to our special text phone number that my staff probably gave you. If you're going to be sending us large photos that are just too big to send, you can use a free resource called filemail.com, where you can easily send large amounts of photos to our office as well. Please send us all your auto insurance information, the name and address of your insurance company, policy numbers, any claim numbers that you've been given. Also, if you have your declarations page, that is the summary of all the insurance coverage that you have. When you get that little card that you put in your glove box for your car, they send you a copy of that declarations page. If you click right over here, you will see a sample of the declarations page and what it looks like. And if you can't find it, just call your insurance company and ask them to send you your declarations page. They should be able to email it to you. Also, if you have any insurance information regarding the other parties involved in the accident, their insurance company's policy numbers or claim numbers, if you know, an adjuster's name or an adjuster's phone number who's been trying to reach you, any letters that you've been receiving from insurance companies, please send those as well, or bring them to the meeting at the very least. That stuff is very helpful. I would caution you not to talk too much to the insurance company for the responsible party until you've spoken with a lawyer to get some tips. Property damage estimates. If you've taken your vehicle to a shop, they may have already generated a property damage estimate. If you can bring that to the meeting or send it to us in advance, that would be very helpful. Any and all doctors or facilities that you've treated with so far. For example, if you've been to the hospital, or you went to urgent care, or you went to your primary care physician, a chiropractor, anything like that, make a list of all those doctors and facilities and please bring that information with you. Also, if you have health insurance, please bring that health care information with you. Copies of any health care cards that you might have. If you are a Medi-Cal or Medicare recipient, you should have a card. If you could please bring that to the meeting. Also bring your identification, of course. That would be helpful. Your driver's license, for example. If you have a police report, please bring it to the meeting. If you don't have a police report yet, and the police came to the scene and wrote a report, you might want to call the police station and ask them when the report might be ready. Sometimes they will actually have the very first page of the police report ready, and they can send that to you, even if they can't send you the whole thing. So you might want to ask about that. Also, your insurance company may have already obtained a police report if you gave them the information on that police card that they give you at the scene. Your insurance company may have already obtained that police report, so you might want to check with them. Basically, bring everything that is related to the accident to the meeting. If in doubt, bring it. And then down here you will find some very helpful do's and don'ts about accident cases. Things you should not do and things that you should do. I would think it's a good idea if you spend a couple of minutes reviewing that information as well. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you at our initial consultation, and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much.